Hi everyone, today's tutorial is on how to make angel wings Christmas ornament using cardboard. I started out by printing a template of angel wings and then I traced that on my cardboard. On this project I think I used a box of cereals. Keep in mind that for this project you're going to be needing 2 pieces of cut out cardboard in the shape of angel wings. I have here some ribbons that maybe I'll use, I'm not sure. And then I have fabric batting that I already cut in the shape of my angel wings. Also, I'm going to be using this white with silver dots fabric. First, what we're going to do is glue each batting to each cardboard. So I already finished gluing the batting to the cardboard. Now we have to get our fabric prepared. What I usually do is I just put the template, in this case the angel wings, on top of the fabric and I trace around like maybe an inch or an inch and a half and then I cut that. Remember that for this project we're also going to be needing 2 pieces of fabric. To glue the fabric, we need to put the template batting to fabric because we are gonna glue the fabric to the cardboard. So I already have 2 pieces of angel wings, cardstock, batting, and fabric. Now I'm gonna put ribbon in the middle of the angel wing on each one. We need to do this part separately. Now we're gonna start with the embellishment of the ornament. What I did is I got these sheets of rhinestone, so I cut a piece with the length and the width of the ribbon that I installed in the middle of the ornament, and I applied the rhinestone on the front part of the ornament, not in the back. Now that we've finished applying the rhinestones on front of the ornament, now we're gonna prepare our hanging strip. All I did is I made a loop with ribbon and I glued that to the back of one of the angel wings, as you can see, because then what we're gonna do is get the other piece of angel wings and we're gonna glue them back to back, making like a little sandwich with it. Now we're going to glue them back to back. Now that we have them glued back to back together like a sandwich that I mentioned before, I have this feather ribbon, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue this all around the edge of the angel wings. So we just completed our angel wings Christmas ornament. Remember, you can do this with other fabrics, ribbons, or other embellishments. Hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Hope you have a Merry Christmas, everyone.